We'll guide you through how to hide game activity on Discord. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Discord, and you can go and see here that I'm playing Minecraft. You may be playing Minecraft or another game, it doesn't matter. If I go and look here though, you can go and see Minecraft is being shown on my profile, and I don't want this to be the case. I don't want others to be able to go and see the game I'm playing, as perhaps I just don't want them to, or they may then want to go and join and play with us. So what we can do is go and hide our game activity. We're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure this full guide we can go and turn it off. Of course, you can always go and turn it on again in the future if you wish. So make sure this full guide and don't skip anything. To go and do this, what you can do is you can come to the bottom left of Discord. There you're going to go and find user settings, as you can see to the right of your account here. Open it up. Now what you need to do is you may think you need to look in your profile here, but that isn't the case. And just to show what it currently looks like as well, when I open it up, it says playing Minecraft. So in user settings, come over to the left and go and scroll down. And what we're looking for is activity settings. First of all, we can come into activity privacy, and you can just go and choose if you want to go and turn off for servers you share with, you could do that. Or what you can do is just go and completely turn off share my activity, like so. Now that's turned off, we can come and close out of here, and you're going to go and see it doesn't show it in the bottom left here. When you click on your profile, it doesn't show it, but you can still see I'm playing Minecraft. It's that simple.